Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive push notifications for your friends' activities on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, staying connected with your friends' updates has never been easier. Let's dive right in and walk you through the simple steps to enable these notifications. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon, which is your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the notifications panel that appears, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your notification preferences. On this page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Updates from Friends. Click on this option to expand it and view more detailed settings. Here's the crucial step. Look for the toggle switch next to Push and make sure it's turned on. This enables push notifications for your friends' activities. While you're here, double-check that the general switch for Allow Notifications on Facebook is also enabled. And there you have it. You've successfully set up push notifications for your friends' activities on Facebook using your PC. Now you'll receive timely updates when your friends post new statuses, share photos, or have other exciting news to share. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to fine-tune your notification preferences. You might want to adjust them based on how many notifications you're comfortable receiving. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay connected with your friends and never miss an important update again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.